things that our forefathers know, today we have to make it better. In Yorùbá land, the only land that their king are not one. If the heads are not one, the politicians are not they are not the head of Yorùbá race. The doctors, the professors, people have Afenifere, they are the ones that speak for Yorùbá. It's not possible for a political association to be the one speaking for the Yorùbá race. The Obas, the kings, are the ones to speak, are the ones that can really speak for Yorùbá race. But all the kings are under, there's no unity. We don't have a one Yorùbá council of Obas. I don't want to compare it to some other place, but I know some other places, parts of Nigeria, that their kings, they have in you see how the northern something monarchy is strong, and they are really proud that they're united. Yoruba kings, no, there is no unity at all. There is no one single Yoruba council of Obas. Imagine a formidable force like when you see the Alaafin, the Awujale, the Oni, the Oluwo, the Alake, the Owa, the Onogun, the Akaribo, the Akeolu. Imagine Osemawe, Deji, when you see them in one Yoruba council of Obas. Who can dare that kind of force? That formidable force. When we speak, Yoruba speaks. When Afenifere speaks, it is not Yoruba that speaks. When Adoko speaks, it is not Yoruba. When some other, I don't know, many other group that are there now, they don't represent Yoruba. They have their own. The kings are the leaders of different lands in Yoruba land. And they are the only one that can speak when they come in unison for the Yoruba race.